controller drift can be frustrating while playing Minecraft, but there are several ways to optimize your controller settings to minimize this issue. Follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Go to your console or PC settings and find the calibration option. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, which can help reduce drift. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the game settings and look for the dead zone options. Increase the dead zone for the analog stick slightly. This adjustment can help prevent unintentional movements caused by drift. Step 3. Clean the controller. Physically clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use compressed air and a soft cloth to carefully clean the areas around the sticks. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Connect your controller to your console or PC and follow the manufacturer's instructions to update it. This can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch to a wired connection instead of using Bluetooth. A wired connection can reduce latency and may help with issues like controller drift, providing a more stable gaming experience. By following these steps, you can optimize your controller settings and reduce drift while playing Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming.